People say, do what makes you happy. But what if what makes you happy costs you something you can never get back? This is the true story of a boy who sold his kidney just to buy an iPhone. In the bustling city of Lagos, where everyone wants to look rich, there once lived a young man who gave up his health just to keep up with trends. This is the true story of Oliver, the boy who sold his kidney for an iPhone and paid the price nobody talks about. Oliver was just 19 when the madness began. He grew up in a poor neighborhood but attended a college where the rich flaunted their gadgets like trophies. Every lunch break, he would watch his friends flex the newest iPhone, shining, sleek, and worth more than his father's entire shop. At first, he told himself he didn't care, but every night he would scroll through social media, watching his mates get thousands of likes for selfies taken on devices he could never afford. Slowly, envy grew in his heart like a stubborn weed. One day, while scrolling through a shady online forum, he stumbled on a post. Earn quick cash, donate your kidney, save a life. The money was tempting. Oliver's eyes widened when he saw that he could earn enough, not just for an iPhone, but also new sneakers and a fancy watch. He convinced himself, I'm young. 1 kidney is enough. I'll be fine. Without telling his parents, he travelled across the border to a neighbouring country, met strangers in a dingy hospital and signed away a piece of himself all for a gadget he couldn't really afford. 2 weeks later, Oliver returned home with a bandaged side and a brand new iPhone, 14 Pro Max. On campus, everyone stared. He was suddenly the star of every party, taking crisp photos, flaunting videos, and posting selfies. He felt like he'd finally arrived. But happiness was short-lived. Barely 1 year later, Apple dropped a new model, sleeker, faster, and better than the one he risked his life for. His rich friends didn't even flinch before buying the latest upgrade. But Oliver? He had no more kidney to sell and no more money left. Worse, his health began to fail. Simple things like playing football with friends made him dizzy. He couldn't take part in sports or drink like his mates. His grades dropped because he was always tired. Dreams of working abroad faded. No company would insure a man with 1 kidney. His once beloved iPhone got cracked, its battery faded, and the update slowed it down. But the scar on his side never faded. Today, Oliver sits alone in his father's small shop, watching new gadgets trend every day on the same phone he can't even sell for scraps. Sometimes he scrolls through photos of his friends living life he can't follow anymore. He traded his future for a moment of fake glory, and the world just moved on. If Oliver's story teaches us anything, it's this. Never sacrifice what you can never get back, just to impress people who will forget you tomorrow. Share your thoughts in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever I post amazing stories like this one.